Hello, I'm Nikki. I'm the recommended wedding photographer for Glenfall House, and I'm here to talk to you today about wedding photography, of course, and also to talk to you about my website, nikkikirkphotography.com. The reason for this is that as well as real weddings, it's got some absolutely fantastic advice, solutions, ideas, inspiration, trends, all sorts of things for you to have a look at. The world is a bit of a strange place at the moment, but weddings will go on eventually, and there's lots of information there and solutions there for you to guide you through at the moment. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about today is this idea I came up with, your wedding pledge day. So this was an idea I had at the very beginning of lockdown, and it was a case of, well, what happens if our wedding day is postponed? What do we do? How do we still make sure that our original date has significance and memories? Have a look at the blog. There's lots of lovely ideas on there, and please remember to share it with us all. The next thing I wanted to chat to you about was weddings after lockdown. So what will weddings look like after lockdown, and how will they work? I've taken a real wedding and I've broken it down on the blog in terms of timing from a photography perspective, what you can expect, what we can do to help, solutions for you. There's some brilliant ideas on there, and I've been helped out by Pia from the Vanilla Pod Bakery and also Rachel from RKM Calligraphy. So go on and have a look, and hopefully that will solve some of your questions and also answer lots of bits and pieces for you as well. So the next thing I could quickly chat to you about is engagement planning. So what happens if you're not quite there yet? If you're not engaged, get engaged. It's a great time. It's a really special time. Yes, we are still in a form of lockdown at the moment, but things are changing by the minute. So if you're planning to propose, go ahead. Weddings will go ahead in one form or another, and it will be a really joyous time for you. There's a great blog on the website which I co-wrote with Beards the Jewellers in Cheltenham. It tells you how to choose an engagement ring, what to look for, lots of top tips and information as well. And then of course, celebrate your engagement. So there's lots of lovely engagement photo shoots for you to have a look at, including one which is titled Posh and Brooks. So Posh is my bestie, and she was due to be getting married this May 30th. It's been and gone. We're gutted. It didn't happen, but lots of plans, new plans being made, etc. But yes, of course, that means, eek, I'm going to be a bridesmaid. It's very, very exciting. So to help you with your planning, and obviously things move and dates are now moving as well, there are lots of really, really lovely blogs to help you with this. So looking at wedding days and wedding ideas for all of the different seasons. So that takes you through spring, summer, autumn, winter, and all of the little ideas and tips and colours and themes and things you can go with for those times. And of course, if you are getting married, if you are lucky enough to be getting married at the wonderful Glenfall, then check out weddings through the seasons at Glenfall House. Again, summer, autumn, winter, spring. There are Valentine's Day ideas, there are Halloween weddings, there are Christmas wedding ideas. There's lots and lots of information on there for you. And finally, my gift to you is a free wedding magazine. So head on over to the blog. I'll put all of the links down for you at the end of this. So if you've missed anything, they will be in the comments under this video. Click on the link for the free download of your Gloss and Wilts wedding magazine and go from there. Wishing you all an absolutely wonderful day and looking forward to seeing you all in person very, very soon. Bye bye.